Chapter 6. Self-Confidence. Self-confidence is the confidence or trust one has in oneself. Confidence comes with the knowledge and awareness that one possesses certain qualities and abilities to perform various tasks. Self-confidence comes from self-esteem or self-worth. A person with self-confidence is an optimist and succeeds in overcoming all obstacles. Self-confidence is necessary for success. It is necessary because it assures a person that he can do things. He believes nothing is impossible with the God-given talents. Without self-confidence, there appears to be no hope of success. Everything seems to present difficulties. If one does not have self-esteem, who else will have self-esteem for him? Such a person will be a total failure. He will always expect the worst and will certainly get the worst. Failures will follow him everywhere. He will get disheartened and disappointed at every step. Self-confidence makes a person feel good about himself. It helps him to have a positive outlook on things. He feels that he has abilities and qualities to be able to do things. Such a person does not underestimate his work. He is able to face all the problems of life with confidence and ease. In order to have self-confidence, it is essential to have an idea of qualities and powers that one has. A journey of self-discovery is necessary. One must look into oneself very honestly. Once that discovery is made, self-confidence will naturally follow. Napoleon. Beethoven. In this connection, it must be noted that confidence in self is very necessary. However, overconfidence is disastrous. Overconfidence is the outcome of pride. Whatever abilities we have come from God. They are His gifts to us. They are not of our own making. Hence, we have no reason to be proud of the gifts we have received. The moment we become proud, we turn out to be overconfident. This is the first step to our downfall. It is said that fools rush where angels fear to tread. Hence, it is necessary to keep in mind that we should have reasonable confidence in our abilities. A positive outlook, a feeling that nothing is impossible with God's help, will certainly bring success. The fears that are usually associated with one's poor background, uneducated parents, etc., need not affect one's self-confidence. History is full of people who have made significant contributions to the progress of mankind. These were people with self-confidence. Not all of them had a royal background or a wonderful education. Many of them were people who suffered from one or more handicaps. Their confidence in themselves took them to the pinnacle of glory. They are an inspiration to millions of people all over the world. Kalidas, Michael Faraday, Beethoven, Napoleon, Abraham Lincoln, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, K.R. Narayanan and APJ Abdul Kalam are a few of them. We must have self-confidence and tremendous faith in God. Michael Faraday, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Chapter 7.